In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable offline mode in Gmail. If you ever travel, work in spotty Wi-Fi areas, or just want a reliable backup, Gmail's offline mode lets you read, search, archive, and compose emails without an internet connection. Anything you write will queue up and send automatically the moment you're back online. For this to work, use Google Chrome on your computer in a regular browsing window. Offline mail won't work in incognito, and it's best to stay signed in to the account you want to use. Start by opening Gmail in Chrome. Make sure you're not in an incognito window, and if your device is managed by an organization, note that admins may control whether offline mail is allowed. Next, click the Settings gear in the top right of Gmail. A quick panel opens, but for the full set of options, click See All Settings. Along the top, you'll see several tabs. Open the Offline tab, then check the box labeled Enable Offline Mail. This turns on the feature and reveals the sync options you can fine-tune. Choose how many days of mail you want available offline: 7, 30, or 90 days. Fewer days use less storage and sync faster, which is great for shared or lower storage devices. More days give you a deeper archive for travel or times you expect to be offline longer. Below that, decide whether to download attachments. Enabling attachment download makes files like PDFs and images available without internet, but it can use significantly more disk space. If you're on a shared or sensitive computer, consider leaving attachments off for privacy and space. You'll also see a choice about how Gmail handles your offline data on this computer. Select Keep offline data on my computer if it's your personal device and you want faster access next time. Select Remove offline data from my computer if you're on a shared or public device, or if you prefer that Gmail clears downloaded messages when you sign out. When you're happy with your choices, click Save Changes. Gmail will begin downloading the selected emails, and that first sync may take a few minutes depending on how much you chose. Keep Chrome open and avoid using incognito so the process completes. Offline mail is tied to this browser profile and device, so repeat these steps on other computers if needed. To confirm it's working, you can temporarily disconnect from the internet and open Gmail. You'll see your recent mail and any new messages you compose will sit in the outbox until you reconnect. And that's it. You've enabled offline mode, tailored your sync window, chosen whether to bring attachments, decided how to handle local data, and saved your changes.